Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio HDL-C enzymatic method, a chemistry product. Over here we can see the brand name Zybio, product name HDL-C enzymatic method, a chemistry product. These are the details in front view. On the top we can see this is a short form of the product HDL-C. The product name is High Density Lipoprotein Cholesterol, HDL-C kit enzymatic method. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units, reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units, a calibrators, first level of 1 ml of 1 unit. So the control to second levels of 1 ml of 1 unit. So therefore 2 reagents and 2 controls. The reference number is 09.02.03.EC.01. Here we can see the lot number, then manufacturing date, then expiry date. One instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certified IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. The manufacturing address of this kit. That also we can use ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. The manufacturing address Zybio International, Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is the overall details on the top. Here we can see the other angles. In this side we can see the brand name Zybio. In this side we can see the product category chemistry. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly the reagents and calibrators controls. I am going to take this out. We can see one by one. These are the reagents and calibrators. Before that we can see the instruction manual. This instruction manual we can see the brand name Zybio. This is a C certified IVD product. We can see the reference number 01.09.02.03.EC.01. Reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units, reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units, calibrator 1 level 1 ml of 1 unit, control 2 levels of 1 ml into 1 unit. So systems for Zybio EXC 200 or 220 systems. Here we can see intent use, summary, principle. So these are the instruction inside this instruction manual. I'm going to keep this aside. We can see the reagents as per the instruction manual. Reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units. Reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units. Here we can see the reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units. Each unit contains 30 ml. So there are 3 units. And reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units. Already we can see in the instruction manual. Reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units. So here that. Then we can see a calibrator. One level of 1 ml into 1. That means it is a packed in the cover. I am going to take this out for your reference. After take the calibrators and controls. This is a calibrator. This is a controls. I can explain where this instruction manual. The first one is calibrator. 1 level into 1 ml into 1. That means a calibrator. Here we can see calibrator. Concentration of 1 level into 1 ml into 1. That means a calibrator 1 ml into 1 bottle. So the next one is control 2 levels of 1 ml into 1. That means 2 levels of 1 ml into 1 for each. I can explain. This is for control 1 ml into 1, but concentration of first level. Here we can see control 1 ml, concentration of 2. So that means control 2 levels, 1 and 2, 2 levels, 1 ml into 1. Both are 1 ml into 1. So this is an overall view of this product. A instruction manual, a reagent kits and controls and calibrators. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about a Zybio HDL-C High Density Lipoprotein Cholesterol. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3 units, reagent 2 10 ml into 3 units, a control 1 and 2, a calibration 1 and 2 controls. These 3 are 1 ml. This is the overall view. Thank you.